Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to give you here a nice video of a 2019 Princeton PB55.3. It has a 12-foot mast showing 1,153 hours. Now this thing is what we call, we buffed and touched it up. It came in pristine, pretty good condition, so we have not gone in here and repainted and refurbished it, but we have inspected it and looked for any kind of leaks or anything of that matter. But it being so new, it really didn't need anything. That'll save you some money, but you're not going to get the shiny paint job. You're going to get the original paint here that's 5 or 6 years old. You can see though, the seat's in excellent condition. This thing is running good. Now we take a look, we've changed your fluids. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we're so confident of this machine, we're going to go ahead and give you the operational guarantee anyways, even though the price is so much lower, because as you can see, some of the decals have been removed from the previous owner, but it's not been repainted. You'll save money on that, putting that shiny paint job on there. Take a look at the nice engine bay, how nice and clean that is. Now, we'll give you operational guarantee. What that means, it's going to be condition I'm showing you here today. It's going to run and operate correctly when you get it. And we will go ahead and back up the engine for 30 days. So you can save some money. And we didn't tie up the shop quite as long. So you'll say that's why we can do that for you. Now, you got about 50, 60% rubber there. You got about 90% there. Let's take a look on the back. Once again, you got about 80% rubber in the back. Thing is really looking good. We're gonna go ahead and fire it up, just show you how nice she runs. Here's your mast going up and down. We have tilt and side shift. Show your outriggers. Here's your mast going in and out. Do a little bit of engine operations and driving operation. Everything's nice and tight. Backup alarm's working. We make sure all your lights are good. You give us a call at 260-238-4998, 260-238-4998. You can check us out on the web, 99lifts.com.